Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today we are looking at the forexfactory.com calendar, and you can see that the USA, there's an 8:30, which is a yellow item, which means it's low impact current account. It's in about 5 minutes and 20 seconds. You can see the countdown here. At 9 a.m., we have HPI, which is a housing pricing index, and we have S&P Case-Shiller composite 20-year housing price index year over year. That's at 9 o'clock. 9:15, we have FOMC member Haymack speaking. So, yeah, what else? 10 o'clock, we have a red item. Fed Chair Powell is testifying before Congress. We also have CB confidence, consumer confidence, and Richmond Manufacturing Index. Those are yellow, or actually orange. Orange is medium impact. Red is high impact. So 10 o'clock, watch out for Federal Chair Powell testifying before Congress. 12:30, we have FOMC member Williams speaking, and at 4 p.m., FOMC member Barr speaking. Last but not least, we have at 4:30 the API Weekly Statistical Bulletin, which is also a yellow item, which means low impact. Okay, moving on, looking at charts. Looking at the daily charts. So yesterday we had a pretty big up day and really kind of crappy volume. But hey, that's been the case. And let's talk about, we're above all the moving averages now. So we are technically in bull move and we are in a uptrend. We are still within this band here of price action, and in the bigger band from further back in time, this is a bull flag and a big consolidation band. We have to really get going up out of here to get going to the upside. A lot of price consolidation there. We've talked about volume has been lame, ugly, but that's just summertime. Really nothing to write home about there. Looking at the inventory was positive yesterday. 23,000 contracts were added on positive price action. That is theoretically normal. Yeah, as this market can be. So going back to the daily here, I'm really surprised, and sure some of you are too, that we did not see a sell-off yesterday after the Iran-Israel bombing that the U.S. then jumped into and did the bombing. I don't know what's going on. The market is ignoring virtually everything that comes out. I don't know if this is a situation where the market has finally learned that certain people are not, whenever they say something, it doesn't mean anything, and they're just ignoring anything that comes, any kind of news, good or bad, is being ignored right now. Don't understand it. All I can tell you is that we are going up, and that's all we need to know, at least in the short run. We're going up. Where can we go? This high volume node right up here, 61.89, is certainly within range. On the downside, come back down into the 60.12 area. Looking on the bigger side, or to say the overnight action, what do we have overnight? We've got about 68.5 points of range. That's about what we've been seeing. So volatility is still here and high. Where do we have support and resistance? So you can see the overnight high right here is real close to a Troy level at 61.42, 61.42, 61.60. There's a little bit of confluence right up here around 61.80. 6,200 is definitely a number that I will be watching. On the downside, support 6,100, yes, is a number. 61.90. You can see here there's a bunch of confluence around the 60.80 mark, and that's kind of generically 60.80-ish. Yeah, below that, there's some confluence at 60.51.50. And then we break below that, right down in here, 60.22, we'll call it that. That's your support and resistance. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 28.6. 28.6. That means that there's only a 28.6% chance that the market will be up today. That is a very, very low number. That means that there is a 72% chance the market will be down today. 72% chance The market will be down today based on historics from the Stock Traders Almanac. So there you have it. Hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.